My name is Dr. Hom-Lay Wang, and I've been practicing the implant dentistry for almost 34 years. And it's very interesting. Some of you probably don't know what my background is. I'm currently actually ranked #1 on the implant surgery, according to Expertscape, and also a #1 on the whole world on the management of peri-implantitis. And with that, some of you probably know a little bit about my background. I did receive several major awards from the American Academy of Periodontology. Basically, I received the Distinguished Scientist Award. That means I know the science and biology behind the implant therapy and periodontal therapy. I also received the Master Clinician Award. That means I'm not only knowing it, I also learn how to perform in a clinically and get a consistent success result. And out of these two awards, I also got another award, which is somehow will encourage you to come in and attend this special lectures. That means I'm Outstanding Periodontal Educator Award. And this is also from the American Academy of Periodontology. They give in one person per year, and I got 3 major awards. So basically, you come here to meet a person who actually knows how to place the implant and also know the science behind it and certainly know how to teach it. So I hope I will have an opportunity, and you also will have the opportunity to come and meet me and learn from my experience and my knowledge and certainly my teaching style. So we see you very soon in Chicago in October 6, 2023.